Good morning all here. Welcome you all in my English classes. So today topic is singular to plural. So in this video I am going to teach you how to change a singular noun to plural form. Students, there are 8 parts of his speech, and in these 8 parts of his speech we can change only 3 parts of his speech singular to plurals. That I am writing on the board. The number 1 is noun. Number 2 is pronoun. And the number 3 is verb. So, and in this video I will teach you only the noun, and the next video I will teach you about the pronoun and the verb, because when you are going to change noun to a singular noun to plural noun, there are some rules. That rules I am going to students. Here I am going to teach you how to change a noun, singular noun, to plural form. Just rule number 1. The rule number 1 is when a noun ends with ch, sh, x and hissing sound like ch, sh, double s, s and hissing sound, that can be changed singular to plural by adding es on the board, like bus, bush, church and class, potato. Just see, this is ending with ch, double s, sh, s and one more is box. The word which are ending with s, sh, ch, double s, o and x, that can be changed es by adding es into plural forms. So that will be done. Bus will be buses, bush will be bushes, church will be churches, class, classes, potatoes, and boxes. Here I am telling you in Hindi also, जिस नाउन के अंत में s आता है, sh आता है, ch आता है, डबल s आता है, o आता है, समवेयर वो o में ये फॉलो नहीं होता है लेकिन समवेयर फॉलो होता है, एंड x आता है, उसको हम es ऐड करके उसका प्लूरल फॉर्म बनाते हैं. आप इसका स्क्रीनशॉट ले सकते हैं. Now this is the second rule. In the second rule, the word which end with f or fe, that can be changed by adding ves. But before adding ves, we drop f and fe. So here I am doing, you watch it. Like calf, wolf, wife, life, loaf. Student, you can see they are ending with the f, fe, and f. So I am going to underline it. What we will add? ves. But before adding ves, we will drop this f. इसको हम हटा देंगे. f को, fe को and f को हटाकर हम ves ऐड कर देंगे. Then what will come? Just see. Calf will be CALF. V-E-S, calves, W-O-L-V-E-S, wolves. Then wife, W-I-V-E-S, wives. Then life, L-I-V-E-S, lives. Loaves, L-O-A-F, sorry, V-E-S, loaves. You know what is the meaning of loaves? Loaves is a collective noun, that is the bunch of bread. So here you can see, you can take a screenshot. हिंदी I am telling you, जिसके अंत में F आता है, F-E आता है, उनमें हम V-E-S लगाते हैं, लेकिन V-E-S लगाने से पहले उनको पहले हम हटाते हैं. F को, here F, F-E को भी हटा देंगे यहाँ से, एंड F-E को हटा के V-E-S लगाते हैं प्लूरल फॉर्म बनाने के लिए. Now I am moving to rule number 3. So here is rule number 3. So what are the rule number 3? Just look at the board. In the rule number 3, when the noun ends with Y, but Y followed by vowel, that time we add only S to make it plurals. Just see, boy will become boys, raise, toys, donkey, monkey, and valley. Here students, these all nouns are ending with Y, but Y followed by vowel, that time we need only add S to make it plural. In Hindi I am telling you, जिस noun के अंत में Y आता है और Y से पहले अगर vowel आता है, उसको हम सिर्फ S ऐड करते हैं प्लूरल बनाने के लिए. Students, in rule number 3, this is the another one. These all nouns are also ending with Y, but here Y followed by consonant. That time what we do, just look at the board. Army will become armies. So first of all I will drop all these Y. I will remove all these Y and add IES. So here plus IES. First of all I remove this one. Before adding this one to make it plural, first remove this one, then add this one. So what will come? Armies, babies, cities, stories, and flies. Means if the noun ends with Y but Y followed by consonant, that time we need to add IES. Before IES we will drop the Y. First we will drop the Y. यहाँ से Y को हम हटाकर फिर IES लगाएंगे उसको प्लूरल बनाने के लिए. इन हिंदी आई एम टेलिंग यू, किसी भी सिंगुलर नाउन जो कि Y से एंड होता हो उसका, लेकिन Y से पहले अगर कॉन्सोनेंट आ जाए तो उसमें हम पहले Y को रिमूव कर लेते हैं, उसके बाद उसमें IES लगा के उसका प्लूरल फॉर्म बनाते हैं. यू कैन टेक अ स्नैप. So here is student the rule number 4 I have written on the board. According to this, in these noun the inside vowel will be changed. Like foot will be become feet, goose will be become geese, man will be become men, and mouse mice, woman women, tooth teeth. So what is happening here? The whatever inside vowels are there, here inside vowel is double O, here inside vowel is double O, here one A, here OU inside vowel, and here A, and here also O. So that will be changed, like foot become feet, geese, men. Maximum time I heard and I have seen in the notebook, man, mans. This is wrong, completely wrong. Remove this. Mouse, mice. Mouse means one mouse, and if you see several mouse, then you can say mice. Then woman, women. The sound is also changed here. Woman is okay, no problem. But when you are putting in the E here, you are writing E here and changing into plural form, that is women. That is women. Tooth, teeth. So you take a screenshot. मैं फिर से बता रही हूँ, जिस नाउन, कुछ नाउन के अंदर के वॉवेल चेंज करके उनको प्लूरल फॉर्म बनाया जाता है. दीज आर सम पर्टिकुलर नाउन जिनको हम अंदर का वॉवेल चेंज करके उनका प्लूरल फॉर्म बनाते हैं. सो आई हैव मेड इट हियर, आई हैव रिटन, यू जस्ट सी. एंड सो स्टूडेंट्स, हियर वी हैव रीच्ड टू द रूल नंबर 5. So rule number 5, I have written some nouns. Actually, deer, sheep, fish, fruits, dozen, score, they have the same form in the singular as well as in the plural. In the case of fish, we use fishes also when we see a single variety. And the same here also in the fruits. We can write fruits and fruit, both are right, but fruit means a single variety of fruit and fruits means a variety of fruits. Means I want to tell you, deer, if you see one deer, you can say deer. If you see more than one deer, then it will be deer, not deers. That is wrong. Sheep. Sheep means sheep refers one sheep also and sheep refers more than one sheep also. Both time we can use this one only. Fish, I want to tell you, fish means a single variety of fish. Fish means one fish, either a single variety of fish means किसी पॉन्ड में अगर एक की तरह की मछली देखते हो, अगर एक है तो उसको हम फिश बोलेंगे, या एक ही तरह की मछली, सारी मछलियाँ एक ही तरह की हैं तो भी हम फिश बोलेंगे. अगर आप फिशेस बोलते हो, दैट मीन इट रेफर्स टू द वेराइटी ऑफ फिश. मतलब अगर एक पॉन्ड में बहुत तरह की फिश हैं तो हम उसको फिशेस बोल सकते हैं, तब उनको हम फिशेस बोलते हैं. सिंगल वैरायटी में बहुत ज़्यादा फिश के लिए हम फिश ही यूज़ करते हैं. इन द सेम केस फ्रूट ऑल्सो. लाइक सपोज यू हैव केप्ट one banana in a basket, then you say fruit. Suppose you have kept more banana in a basket, so that time you use fruit only, not fruits. If you are using that, it is not wrong, but what is the correct form I am telling you. Suppose you have kept in a one basket variety of fruits, that time you use fruits. So fruit indicate single variety and fruits indicate variety of fruits. So I think you have understood this one. I move to the rule number 6. So here students, the rule number 6, according to this, maximum noun is formed singular to plural by adding as. So here I have written, you go through it, you can make it, and this you have to learn this. So kite will become kites. So I am writing here kites, books, cars, tables, chairs, bags, doors, windows. There are so many that you have to learn only. This is they all are coming in the form of plural by adding s. Two nouns that will be changed little bit differently. So ox and child. How it is written? Child. So ox will be oxen and child will be children. Students, I have found that many of the times that I have seen that the students are writing childs. That is completely wrong. Child का plural form children होता है और ox का plural form oxen होता है. Now I have come to the end of this video, and I have explained almost the basic rule of singular and plural. I hope that this video will help you a lot and you can solve your exercise given in the grammar book. So students, watch the video, solve your exercise. Till then, bye bye. I will come back with the next video within a week.